This conference will now be recorded.
So then at last I have included staff coordinators and student coordinators name. So the main aim is to do an attractive web page for a legend event, because it's a big event which next to cultural is a big event which will happening in our college, right? So
Mhm.
that's all.
Okay. So it is basically just to register and know about the event, right?
No, only the registration and register.
Only that is what. So to know about the event is written over there on top, like all the details about the event, who is going to come, and the details of the like payment, everything, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So this is fully a event registration. So anything
Yes.
else you want to say? So anything else you want
That's
to
all.
add in this project? Uh,
Yeah, maybe in future I will add some other ideas also.
okay. Okay. Abhiram, you want to say anything?
Okay. Is there any, I mean, does the form work? Like if I fill my details,
No,
will it
Yeah.
store it?
no, I didn't use any functionality here.
Okay, just the UI part. And
Yes.
I like, I feel this will be very useful if it's flexible. Like if we can add all events to it. Like this is only for one event, right?
Yeah, for one event I have created, but it will be useful for that also, for every event also, because it looks so attractive, right?
Yeah, it's fine. All the photos and everything is great. And
Hmm.
so if I'm registering for this event and I have a doubt, where
Okay.
can I contact or ask a question?
Yes, if you have any queries now, here I have done for further queries, we can visit our college link.
Will it work?
And then
Where
staff
it
name
will
also
take
I
you?
have included
So
here.
if you press that visit here, where okay.
Yeah, okay. College website
Yeah.
is fine, but you can add social icons like Instagram account or
Yeah.
WhatsApp or
Okay.
something like where the person who's conducting event can answer them. Okay, because in a college
Okay.
website
Okay.
there's no support. Yeah, but
Okay.
it's great. It's nice,
Yeah. Yeah.
neat and
Okay.
simple. Yeah,
Thank
fine.
you.
So the next name is Arshvadan. Arsha, are you there? No, you're not audible. Actually, if you're using the web, make sure you're given the access to it. Be found near the URL on top. Okay. So the next name is Nikita.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, I'll be giving you access.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
So, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay, so hi, I'm Nikitha and my project is Crime Board. So it's basically a chat board where a victim of crime can give his complaint to the police via chat board. It is actually one of the real-time problem solving. I say it's a real-time problem solving because it's my own experience. Actually, few days back I lost my phone and I had to give complaint to the police about this. Being a non-local person, I don't know Tamil. And when I went to the police station, the policeman has no proper English and we don't know Tamil, so we had to face a lot of problems. So I thought, like, why can't we digitalize this? What if we can tell our problems to the police through a digital manner? It would be more fine, right? So I thought I got this idea, and the next thing was it will be mostly helpful for the non-local people living in any place. And the second thing is see, most of us will find child labor everywhere, like small tea shops and all. But how many of us will go to the police and tell that child labor is also a crime, right? So none of us will put a step forward to go into the police and tell that child labor is going on in this place, because it's just because of busy life, and it is also that like we have to travel till the police station. That is also a big issue. So if they use our if they use this chat board, you don't have to go anywhere. You just have to open the chat board and tell where and all the crime is going on, and just submit it. So, and that was the second thing. And the correction also can be reduced. If at all we are going to the police and telling this is my problem, then on the next question, sometimes, not all the times, but sometimes there is a chance of asking bribes. But in this case, if you use this digitalized crime board, you don't have to. There is no chance of asking and taking bribes. So I thought that would be one of the biggest asset. And
Okay.
thing is 24/7. See, police stations will not be active 24/7, but this chat board will be active 24/7. Anytime, even at night, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, if you find something, you can just open it and you can just put up like you can just submit submit your complaint. And if you think about faking or fluking, you might ask me like, what if people for fun also they can do it, right? For fun they can say this time is going, that time is going on. So that cannot be a possible issue, because see, in this case, I will be asking the Aadhaar card number of the person. So first, the police will verify the Aadhaar card details, and if it is really a person who is having that identity, then the police can converse with because with Aadhaar card we can get the phone number also. The police can converse with the person who has given the complaint if required. And I just thought we can digitalize giving FIRs. That's it. Also, when it comes to the visualization, I created a map bar, and I just told how this crime board works. Why crime board? Why should we use crime board? And what should you do as soon as you witness a crime? That is just open this website and go to the crime board. And what should I chat with the crime board? Crime board is nothing but a chat board, right? So you might feel like, what should I chat with it? You don't have to, it's actually user friendly. You just have to answer the questions which the crime board will ask. And what will happen after giving your details? It will actually have to create a backend and have to send the details to the police bureau. But I am not so good at backend, so I couldn't do that. And what about the victim's details? Like the victim might be scared that his details will be out, but that is not a problem because the details will only be safe hands between police and the person. And can you can ask me that can you really prevent crimes? I think it's just a small step of mine to prevent crimes. I am not sure that I can completely prevent it, but it's a small step from my side. So this is the chat board. When you click on this button, it will open the chat board. So this is the chat board. Let me say what crime do business, child labor. Let me see this. And where did you witness it? Let me see number which one. ECR road something. Next approximate date and time and side to 22 and time 2 p.m. Yeah. And name and Aadhaar card details. I will write my name and I will say this is my Aadhaar card number. So I just say I have witnessed labor. So yeah, so we assume that your details will be confidential. So when you just click on this get digitalized FIR, this is actually the FIR form which I wanted to create in a better way, but I didn't have much time. So I told you that the details will be confidential. That's why I've created these buttons. So the type of crime is this. And yeah. Actually, I wanted to save all these details in a backend file and then send it to the police bureau, but I couldn't do that. And that is it. This is my project. Thank you.
So, how's the project, guys? Okay, awesome. This that's really nice idea. So, having more space. Hey, Abhiram, do you want to say anything?
Yeah. How does the chatbot work?
Yes.
I mean,
use
like, what did you use?
So, what do you have used in the backend? Like,
I use JavaScript completely. I've taken inputs and I've just printed them, and I've saved the inputs in a few variables, and I sent it to the third page, that is the entire form. There I kept the inputs into the buttons, so when you click the buttons, you'll get the input.
Okay, fine. So, is there any other working in this website other than a chatbot? I mean,
No, actually, it took a lot of time for me to create the chatbot itself, so I couldn't make the other things.
yeah, fine. It's great.
Thank you.
Actually, I'm surprised to see the chatbot is working fine. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay, that's it. Good.
yeah. So the next name is Sibi. Are you ready with your brother?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Wait. Yeah. 10%.
Guys, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. This project, it's called Limbo, but like a very small, simple project, and I didn't have any login pages. Yeah, I'll just show you.
Sibi, can you say the idea for?
So basically, you know, all these places like railway stations and you know, this government bus terminuses, right? So if you used their bathrooms when you couldn't control it, you might have realized it have been very, very unclean. So as a result of using these unclean bathrooms, it can lead to a lot of health problems. So what my project does this is just the front end. So what the actual idea, how the actual implementation is that there would be some sensors installed in the restrooms. One sensor will be recording any harmful gases which are present, and the other one will be recording the pollution levels of the floor and other things. So if the values recorded by the sensors cross this particular threshold, what happens? My website will get a particular alert. You see these two boxes, one is green and one with red. So if the box becomes red, it means that that particular restroom is very unsafe to use. And what happens? I'll get a button which will look like something like this: take action. So whenever I get that button, I can press that button and enforce action. I can alert the authorities present in the particular railway station, or yeah. I just gave red and green as an example, and there are no values since I don't know what unit to give, so I just kept it blank. It's like a very small, simple project, and yeah, at the Akash, it's clear, right? My entire screen.
Yeah.
I just gave some 2 tips what we can do when using bathrooms. Can you read it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Then I just included an about page. You can see it, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all my project was.
Yeah.
Yeah, can I know who is going to use this website? Like the people who are traveling, or the railway authorities? Like
It's
how
only
how
used in
how is
places.
this going to be useful to someone?
Okay, so this will mostly be used by any railway stations, because in those places only the bathrooms will be very messy. But if you look at hotels and airports, I'm hearing stories that the bathrooms are clean over there. So this thing won't be useful to one particular person. The person using this website is kind of has an advantage, not advantage. He has this tool to ensure that the bathrooms under his station is clean. So many people, when using the bathrooms, they won't be prone to these unclean environments, and they'll be more safer.
Yeah.
Do you
Okay.
hear me?
Fine. Yeah. Good. So
I know I could have added
the
more, but yeah, this is just the
no,
front
it's
end.
fine. See, no, it's fine. So uh, was your like did you have something in mind, like more to add to this website based on your idea? Like you thought. Okay. Tell.
I could have, I don't know, I could have used some more things. I could have just added more contents in the end. You know, at the time being, I could only think of 2, and I just added 2, and I could have made this box much more neater, I think.
Yeah.
And
No, I'm asking about the idea. Like
idea.
any functionality, like you thought to make this work.
As of now, I just thought of the idea. It's just like the blueprint. About the actual implementation, I didn't like think of it yet. But yeah, it more or less, this is what my
Yeah, good. Like as far as your idea speaks, it's great. You implemented most of it, but the functionality you didn't even think of it.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, but still it's nice.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you.
good.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
So, awesome. Yes, we'll be talking about the next name. So
Hey, how to exit share the screen?
It's fine. I'll check it.
I'm not able to expand. Yeah, okay.
Wait. Yeah, I think Sibi, you have to do it. It's below. Actually.
Below.
Can you see the
Pause
mic,
sharing.
camera, screen, and all?
Okay. Stop sharing screen. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay, the next. Did I leave anyone? Is there anyone? Okay, I think. Yeah. I don't know. Did I miss any name?
Teja Naveen.
Yeah, Arsh, are you ready? Okay, who is next?
Teja Naveen. Did he complete?
Okay. Are you here, Teja? Are you ready, everyone? Hello. Okay. Okay, Aishwarya, next, I think it's you. Are you ready? Hello.
Akash, I think
Okay.
Teja is ready. Okay.
Yeah, yes, no.
Am I audible?
No.
Yeah, audible. Don't.
Okay. Teja, are you ready? Okay, we can go to. You're not audible, man. Your mic is on, but you're not audible.
I think he has some problem with his mic. Teja,
Yeah.
can you hear us?
You didn't use your chat session, man. If you're not able to.
Akash, can you hear me?
Yeah.
No, it's
I'm not able to change the options. In the bottom 10 to
Sorry.
கீழே ஒரு பட்டன் இருக்கும்லடா 10 to அது பேரோட எனக்கு அந்த ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் மாத்த முடியலடா.
Sensitive.
லீவ் இட் ஒரு செகண்ட் நானே பார்த்தேன் ஒரு செகண்ட்.
Okay, we can go to the next person. Is there anyone that I left? Ash, are you ready with the project?
I think Teja is speaking.
No, his mic is off. Okay. Yeah. Hey, Teja, speak something.
Bro, is it audible to you now?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Wait, I'll make you share.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. You can go.
Okay. Now I'm going to share my screen now. Okay, bro.
Yeah, your screen is open.
No. Bro, can you hello?
Yeah, we can see
Yeah,
your
it's visible.
screen. Explain your idea and the project.
Okay. And my idea is about that people who are doing projects or want to learn about the technical education that cannot be provided in our institutions. Like some already so many members know that projects are made only by microcontrollers. Sorry, bro, I'm an EC student. That's why I made it required to me.
Okay. Okay.
No.
So can you repeat it again? We were not able to.
The technical education which cannot be provided in our institution, we will search in Google, right?
Okay. Yeah.
That
Yes.
for that, only people search for only projects and the theory which behind that project.
Okay.
I gathered that all details and put it in a single website. We need not to search different websites in Google. Simply, I made it like this. Let me show you. Just a minute. And here I made a menu column like a home screen. Like are you doing project services, and I created two buttons here, project and then one contact us, which will give the suggestions to us to what we have to create extra in the website.
So what is there inside project?
Yes, in that projects menu, I given some YouTube links which will be assigned on the left side and right side. Through that YouTube links, they can be useful to update themselves to the new technology arrived in the market.
So who will be
We can
updating all these?
implement this.
Okay. Okay. 8 and 2. Yeah.
The website organizers can be. Yeah, right.
Okay.
Top Raspberry Pi projects are in projects and all, which can be used for engineering students of final year or a mini project. Through these YouTube links and blogs also, we can add some blogs even. By adding to the blogs, we can actually know what is happening in this project or what is the circuit about and everything. And in this about section, I have just created what this website is telling us about and what will be there in this website. And contact us. I have created some mail message and message in the sense any suggestions to improve the website or any queries about that website or any answers do you want, we can do that.
Okay, that's it.
By this website, people no need to search all the websites or all the blogs in the present in Google. Directly they can use it. That's my idea.
So your website contains all the resources for students to make projects, right?
Yes.
So instead of searching everywhere, you have gathered some good projects, like help them how to do. Like it contains all the information about that.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So other than YouTube, I mean, you embedded those YouTube videos, right? Other than that, did you add some blogs or anything?
No, sir. I'm searching for that. I'm new to this
Okay.
CSE branch and
No,
Okay.
no, it's fine.
it's
I'm just
time
asking,
taking.
like,
Okay.
how far
But
you in your
extra,
idea you
that's
thought,
what my
like,
idea.
what want to add?
That's what my idea. I want to implement this more and
You
create
want to
a
add more resources, like blogs, videos,
yes.
everything, more resources.
In this project
Okay.
also, I want to add a menu list. Which sector you want the project?
Okay, like categories, what kind of projects, hardware,
Yes.
software.
You
Okay.
also add a feature where people can contribute to that. So there should be a person, right? So to post all these
Yes.
YouTube videos.
Yes, it
So
can be made as a public process also.
yeah, that is fine.
People who know answers, they can share this their blogs or
Yes,
their
yes.
answers.
Yeah, that will be a good option if you add that. So yeah, totally, it's a good project. It will be
Yeah,
very
good
useful.
one. Yeah,
Cool, man.
fine.
Okay. So the last one, I guess. Um, okay. Did I leave anyone? Yeah. So
Me?
Aishwarya. Yes. Okay. You can present your screen now.
Hmm. So is it visible? Whole screen?
Yes.
Yeah, so my idea was basically to combine botany and computer science since I personally like botany. So it's about house plants. So the thing is that house plants is not only for decoration, it also helps in various things like purifying airs, which contributes in our environment. So uh, like for they have pleasant aromas and eye-catching appeal also. So here I have given many categories of different plants, like they help in medicines also, they are used in insect repellent also. Like lavender plant is used as an insect repellent for mosquitoes, so that can save us from mosquitoes carrying diseases like malaria and dengue. And they also help us in reducing our stress. So, and we human beings, we are very much like selfish, we don't care about the environment and all. So if something is giving benefits to us, then only we'll start doing it. So if we start planting trees, or I mean start planting from our home only, then we'll be like, yeah, they are indirectly contributing towards the environment. So that is the idea.
Okay.
Hmm.
So
So I have
Abhiram.
included many categories.
So what is the use case of this project?
Helping our environment for reducing air pollution. That was plan. That what the plan do. So I wanted to add more things like login page and all, but I had very less time. So yes, anything else?
So Abhiram, you want to say ask me?
Yeah, it's fine. What are your future plans like? You want to add anything more to it?
I wanted to add a login page so that when once people sign up or login, they'll be able to see more plants. And like I have added only 4 plants over here. There will be 10 to 15 more plants, and I'll add some articles and blogs which will inspire them and tell them in depth about the benefits.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, that's it.
Nope.
Fine.
Okay.
Nice UI.
So Ash, if you just show the PPT and the live demo, we won't be able to understand, right? Just watching everything won't make any sense. So yeah, yeah, it has. So we have to do something.
No, he can show the PPT now and have a recording or something later.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
then you
record.
can show the PPT. Yeah.
Because pitching is a must. He should explain his idea. So
Yes.
later he can record or do something. As of now, he can just present it here.
Yeah. Okay, you can show the demo. Okay. So, okay. Actually, it's fine. Um, is there any um like okay is there anything else you want to show this website or you want to say anything? Okay. Any other implementation you want to use, like features you want to add over here in this project? Mhm. Anything else? Good. So, yeah. Okay, fine. So, Abraham, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, it's fine. We'll have a video
Okay.
or something.
So, what I would suggest you is there are some programs given already. So, it would be great if there's any difficulty levels present in this. So, beginning itself, we can't go away with a big code and we can't type everything. So, it would be better if we start from short thing. So, yeah, and yeah, that's it. Nice one.
Yeah, fine. Mm.
So I think everyone is done with the pitching. Okay, awesome. Okay, Ash, you can close the level will be updated today. Okay.
Okay, is everyone done? Or anyone left to
Yes,
present?
I think everybody's. Anyways, overall, everyone did a great job. Just 1 week, you just learned everything about web, and there's also like non-CSC student over here. We made a normal website. So I think Abhiram, you have to make them yeah. Yes. So everyone did a great job, guys. Sit and tap hands for yourself right now.
Yeah, congratulations everyone first of all because I'm really impressed. Like around 50 people are registered, right, Akash?
Yes.
And
On
out of
more than 60.
more than 60 registrations, many of them have just completed the course and just left it there. Like they didn't do a project or they didn't have something to implement on what they read.
Fine.
But but you
Yeah, you're
people,
audible.
you're audible.
So anyways, yeah.
Yeah, but you people made it till the end, and only 10 of you made a project. See, it doesn't matter whether your website looks good or the UI looks good or it doesn't matter. Okay, you learn something, you build something with what you learn. Like this is, there's no big proof than this to show that you have learned something. Okay, and as of this webathon, it's just a like, it's just some activity, that's it. And later on you can learn more, you can google it, you can improve your project, and you can do many things. All of this just happened within a week. You just learned and made it. So I like to congratulate each and every one of you. It's a great job, really.
Yeah, guys.
And yeah, and we'll try to
So,
give
and
something for everyone.
yes.
Yeah, only
So
10 people,
we'll be
right? We
giving
can
out
just,
some goodies if we have something
yeah,
like, but
yeah,
everybody will be getting something for sure.
yeah. Everyone will get something. You 10 people will get something. Don't expect too much. We are low on sponsorship, but yeah, something like token of like appreciation, something like that. Just a memory sticker or a badge, something like that. Um, and yeah, that's it. A great job, guys.
So
So, anyone want to tell anything?
yes, how was the experience? Still
Yeah.
you can say, you can unmute
As of
yourself.
as of Webathon, we planned in it in college, offline, and different thing used to happen. But the situations are, I think everyone knows the situation. It's worse.
Yeah, that's
Like
understandable.
it's now. I never thought this will happen, but still, yeah, you people had this dedication of doing all of this. So thank you. And yeah, now everyone can tell their opinion or anything.
Akash,
You can ask about it.
Yeah.
it's more of a question. Are you planning to make month of learning?
If many are interested,
Oh, okay.
what to say. So I don't want to conduct, something with when nobody is interested. Like, not, we just need more participants. Otherwise, if we not like, would say there'll be no interactiveness, nothing. Even now, for an hackathon, we just had 10 participants. That is why we had to make it like individual, event, like part, yeah, teams. If there's even more students, they can form a team, they can learn together, and they can participate in events together. So yeah, so encourage your friends to, guys. Ask them to participate. Ask them to join these kind of opportunities. Ask them to make use of these kind of opportunities. And yeah, share your knowledge. That is the more important thing. So
Yeah.
whatever you have learned, share your knowledge to everyone. So yeah,
Okay, so anyone else? You can ask anything. Just be frank.
so
It's not official.
do you guys expect any other events in the future? You can let us know. So in these 21 days, or what kind of events you guys are expecting?
Even
Guys, you can speak up.
Let's just
yeah, but
one
I
by.
don't think, like I said, there won't be much participants.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what. That's why we don't want to
So
But
plan
yes,
anything.
the thing is, participant won't come when nobody is encouraging or letting others know. So the thing is, most people doesn't ask what kind of event it is. They will feel shy to ask. So in that case, they won't even register for it. So if you guys encourage your friends, if you guys let your friends know about these kind of things, even they will join with you guys, right?
yeah, we did inform this week of learning to our class actually. Full IT, this thing I put it in the WhatsApp group. Like I said, those interested, please join it. And
Yeah.
I saw like, many of them joined, but they left in between.
Mhm.
I did encourage them to join because it was easy to learn. I wanted everybody else to also to learn.
Yes. So that is what. Even we were trying to, your mic just okay. So even we tried, like, yeah, even we try to, approach everyone and let everyone know about this kind of events. But what happened? the leave came in between, like everything. This kind of you know things are coming in between, so we were not able to conduct any offline meetups. So that is why we are going for online. So anything else, if you have any idea, if you are expecting something, let us know so that we could arrange something for sure. So any events, like fun activities or anything that you want to, that you guys are interested, or even if I can see some people from second year itself, many people are interested in doing something to join in some events, but they are not showing up as you guys are coming, but they are not showing up, but they are very much interesting, and they are, at last they're feeling like they couldn't participate in events or any activities are
Saying
followed.
something and actually doing it are two different things.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Like they say that they are interested, but if they don't take the first initiative, then it's on them, not us.
Yeah. So, but still, you should, bring them. You should force them. It's better at least one time force them to join in these kind of activities. Then they themselves will show up, by like to join and everything. So that's what, guys. So how was the day going? Like for everyone, like so far.
It was cool.
Cool. Oh,
Yeah, it is fine
Yeah, I
okay.
actually.
wanna share my view, like on this Progate. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, when I
Yes,
joined
you
in
are.
this Progate, it was unfortunate. Like before only I joined in this Progate, and I did till level 10 and the same HTML and CSS.
Okay.
And I don't know why I left it in the middle. And later, after getting a message from our college, I was like, okay, let us try again what is going to happen in this. Then finally we did. And in this, I learned HTML. Like previously, I learned, but of course, I learned again HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I learned Go language. And now there was a best part in this. Like they have sended me message in the mail that I can get a free access to other course.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah, I took for SQL, and like they were asking me for getting the more, like first they have asked me about the upgrade of 470 rupees or something. So I did not pay it as usual. We don't spend much
Yeah,
money.
no need to pay. Even I don't.
Yeah. Later on, like they have sent me message like you can join, fill your details, and if you want to join in any other course, like you can join and get a certificate. Yeah, this was the best thing that they sent me in the mail, and I was like, okay, let us do. I did it, and I didn't expected that the hackathon will be in this level. It was good actually,
Cool. Cool. Okay.
and if at all more people are there, then it will be more interesting, I guess.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Even we are expecting the same. So that is what, guys. So even we need more audience, and even you guys need more participants, like partners, and so that it will be
Till
even more interesting. Yeah.
Yeah, till the end of this webathon, like I just sent you in the morning also the like PRs. So I was like,
Mhm.
yeah, we can do. I want to be the first. I want to be the first. I was like, yeah, I can do. It was interesting, like as you mentioned the prizes and all, and it was a great opportunity to participate in this and learning about the GitHub and some tricks how to use a GitHub. It was great.
Okay.
Yeah, most
Yeah.
of them are not that familiar with GitHub. Like it will take
Yeah.
time, I know.
So yeah, as a CSE student, it's more important to learn all these things. So okay. So if you guys are interested, and if even if your friends are interested, we can even do a online like webinar on this topic, and even more
Yeah, in
topics
this
are there.
remaining holidays, I guess you can conduct more because we all will be at the home, so no work at all. It will be
The
much
thing is,
useful.
we are not hesitating to do these events, but we need participants, right? So
Yeah,
it would be great if more people are joining and you get some knowledge. Otherwise, there's no point of like.
Yeah.
Like if at least 50 people are joining, at least 10 people get something, right? If only 10 people are joining, I don't know, many people like learn or
Like a
so
lot of
that.
my friends, they don't know about this Progate at all. Like
Mhm.
yesterday, I was sending them message that I'm doing Progate. They were asking me what is that. It was
So
cool.
we asked like every class ambassador to share all these things, but I don't know what happened in the middle. I don't know. We are also asked our HOD to share these things. I don't know. They didn't share it. Okay. Ash is going to. Okay, cool. Ashwini Gonova. Yeah. So yeah, even you can join with him and do that. As Teja was asking, he was asking something on artificial intelligence. So Teja, you can join this webinar if you are interested. It's going to be organized by Ash. And one more thing, guys. So yeah, make sure you encourage every one of your friends to join in such events. So instead of paying and going for some paid events, paid workshops, please join these kind of free events. At least you can learn something, right, for free. So even um, like while working on a project, since see this project you didn't pay anything at all, but there are some people who are just going for some so-called internship things, and they are paying 2000 or like they're paying more money for their
Yeah,
a
yeah.
simple web project. So so that is what we need. So um, just encourage your friends to join in this kind of free events, free scholarship events and more stuff which we'll be sharing in the future. So yeah, okay. Um, so anything else, guys? Want to know or you want to say
Yeah,
something?
you can ask anything, like anything.
So we want some feedback also. Like be free to talk. What kind of improvements you need from us, like our side?
Okay,
Feel
so
free
I
to
have
talk.
used
Yeah, go ahead.
so I used many online learning websites like Progate, GUI, NPTL, but I found Progate the best because you can cheat compiler here. Okay, in GUVI which they sent in mail, it was easy to cheat the compiler. Okay, and we can get the certificate easily. But in Progate, it's not like that. If you do it properly, then only you will go to the next step.
Yes,
So I found that Progate is the best way to learn
cool.
new stuff, and it was quite interactive. All the animation stuff was good.
Yes.
You can't cheat here. If you do correctly, you will get the output. They have noticed each and every point where you might cheat. Okay, like if you have, output will come, but they want the output to be arriving in this particular order only. If you do this
Yes.
step only, this output should come.
Yes.
You can get the output in many ways, but they want you to do in that particular step only.
Mhm.
So you can't cheat here. Like what is said, you should do that. So it was more like interesting to solve here, learn here compared to any other websites.
So anything else? Any other feedback you want to say? Like even our side, like from DSC or like from the organizers.
DSC. I guess we can conduct more work like these kind of events, but as you said, we need more participants. That's the thing.
So
Yeah,
getting participants is like it's simple, man. Like since they're not aware of many things, they're not participating. So if they like get to know about some interesting events, they will of course they will join. But the thing is they are not aware. So you guys are the one who need to share the things. If you get something, make sure you share it with
We
everyone.
are sharing.
Okay.
We are sharing. Like
So yeah.
90, everything is shared in the group. Like
So when you
second
share,
years.
something, make sure you explain like everything about the event. So that is how they will join. If you just join share the link, they will not even look at it, right? So That's the mentality of
No, I did.
everyone. They will just ignore it.
I understand.
So
Yeah,
since
tell your
if people,
friends.
yeah,
Yeah, tell your friends like it was one day webathon. We made some projects. See, like I made my project within one day. You have something to show. Like share your experience, not about the this thing. And yeah, see, the problem is there are many people who say they are interested, but actually they are not interested. And there are people who are interested, but they are not aware of the events. So we need more people in an event. Only then, like it will be nice. We know that, but see, we can't motivate everybody to join. If they're interested, they'll join. Like what has happened now, only 10 people made it to the finals, but still people need to know what is happening. So just share it with your friends who you think they are interested, like for people who code or work on some projects or something like that, or even people who are willing to learn. If they're just willing to learn and do something, it's fine. No need of like professional coders and all, but just people who are like they even make a single web page till the end, like they should not quit. So just share it with your friends, your experience and all.
Okay, I'll share it today in the group. So,
And GitHub is a like it will be very useful to you people. Like the first time when I saw people share, I mean even me, like I thought how people share code through pen drives or email or something like that. Like once you learn GitHub, you will think sharing code like this is a very dumb way, like in pen drives or anything. I'll actually laugh about it because
yeah,
GitHub is it's a revolution. Like it's what can I say? It's like the heart of developers. Without GitHub, we can't like the packages which we use. Like there are some packages, right? Bootstrap or
yeah,
NumPy in Python. All these are open source. I mean, they're hosted in GitHub itself. Most of our softwares, apps which we use. So many people are unaware of GitHub and open source. Like, but still, it has a great impact on us. And yeah, GitHub will be very useful. Just try to create a repository, or you can even host these websites, your projects on GitHub. Now itself, within 2 minutes, you can just host it.
yeah. I
I'll share the
sent
article.
under the hosted version only.
Yeah, I'll share the article in the group, and I just created a small page for myself. I'll share everything in the group. Just have a look. You can host all your projects within 2 minutes just now on GitHub. I'll just show you that. And yeah, okay. Anyone want to tell anything? We'll wrap it up. Akash, hello.
so did I miss anything? Sorry, I was on a call.
No, nothing. I just told them to host their projects on this thing, GitHub pages.
Okay. So yeah, guys, still many things are there. You just learn the basic thing of web development. You just learned the base of web development. There are a lot of things to explore even more. So there's things in the back end, even in front end itself. There are new frameworks like React, Angular, even Django. Even a lot of things out there. So you can go ahead, explore them. Yeah. So if we get participants, I'm repeating again. So we could be able to, host these kind of events in the future. So yeah, I hope you all get it. So how many of you are from DSC coding club?
I am there.
Okay. Okay, cool. So two, just two.
There are only 3
Okay.
participants from second years.
Okay, cool. Okay. So what about others? Why you didn't like join coding club? You're not aware of it, or
No. Most of them attended the test actually.
okay,
The main coding club test we had, right? Like 4 questions to that one. They did attend it. They did give the test, but some of them are not aware of it yet.
okay, yeah, got it. That's fine. So one more thing. So things are going to come. Like more opportunities are going to come in near future. So make sure you apply for everything. So there are even hackathons are going on now. Like for coronavirus itself, there are things are going on online. So you can even share your thoughts. You can share your ideas to them. You can participate in those kind of hackathons. And yeah, even offline hackathons are converted into online, so you can even participate in that. So yeah, guys, join in everything, and don't stop with this. Continue learning, continue where you are stopped. Like learn even more. Don't stop exploring, and yeah, good luck. Avira? Okay.
Akash,
Yeah.
I know it's not within your power, but can you request the Progate founder to like make one more track free for us? There's this thing called Ruby on Rails. That thing has HTML already, which we have completed, and it has, I think, Ruby. Would it be possible?
I try to request them for only for hackathon participants maybe. So yeah. So as you said, I don't have the power. So I can just ask them, I can just request them to give access, but
Yeah.
it's all about right, yeah. So they have to give access. So anyways, man, I'll try to ask. So yeah, guys, enjoy all this, and result will be shared soon, and the prizes will be distributed soon. So, and one more thing, guys, still social media contest is there. It's not over till tonight. You got access, so make sure you share more.
Oh.
Okay, there's a separate prize also. Amazon cash prize is there for that. So do it. And of course, everyone will be getting something for sure. Not cash prize or anything else, but something that we could, manage to give you. So don't worry
Certificate.
about that. Sorry.
Certificate. Participation certificate.
Yeah, certificate. Yeah. Apart from that, we'll be giving you something.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, there's someone called Bignesh. I think Bignesh is not a Webathon, I guess. Bignesh, can you hear me? Hello. I don't know. Okay. Anyways, so we can end this. Okay. Actually, I'm having. Okay. So, so it's fine, man. Try one thing. You can share your website to me, share the link to me, and try to explain it in my DM. Okay, direct message me and explain everything over there. So I'll see you there. Okay, guys. So enjoy the holidays and yeah, bye. Good luck. And one more thing, guys. Don't expect anything. Okay, don't have some expectation now itself during the result for the result. Okay, it doesn't matter winning or lose. So at the end of the day, you just learn something and you have made something, right? So that is what like everybody needs. So with your knowledge, you can even earn many things. So this is just something like no, what is it? Temporary thing. But in future, if you learn, like if you have knowledge, you can learn a lot. I mean, earn a lot more than learning. So yeah, good luck, guys. Bye.